So we've been talking a lot about relationships and
Yes.
business and the kind of cross section between them. So I'm interested, whether we're executives or managers, we have people that work for us, and to achieve anything in our life, we need to create results through other people. How do most people approach getting their team to do what they want?
What seems to come naturally for most leaders and most people is convincing. So they start the process by convincing their team to take on the targets, take on the goals, take on the actions to make things happen. But convincing as a distinction does not produce long-lasting results. Because convincing has in its makeup things like hidden agenda, manipulation. Because you want them to do things, but you're not sharing the whole picture with them. And you're kind of selling them something to do. And often, you use things like threats or inducements or bribes in whatever way, shape, or form. And you might call them incentives. At the end of the day, it's a bribe. So with all of that, you get results. I mean, the whole world works on that, and we get results. But the question is there a better way? And there is a better way, and it's called enrolling people. And the whole distinction enrolling is what we unfold in base camp. In fact, the 2 days operate in this whole domain of enrolling. And as you go through base camp, the art and science of enrolling starts getting embedded in you. And you are then able to start enrolling people by declaring your agenda, by being transparent, and that fosters trust and longevity. So when somebody is enrolled, they stay enrolled. When you convince somebody, you got to keep ensuring that they're convinced. It's too much work. And they keep slipping off. And they offer excuses and justifications and reasons, but an enrolled person stays the course. There's discretionary effort, they make things happen. One of the greatest enrollers that the world has ever known is Mahatma Gandhi. So in this movie by Sir Richard Attenborough, Sir Ben Kingsley essays the role of Mahatma Gandhi to perfection. If you were to watch that movie and just absorb how he conducts himself in all these difficult situations, you will see a master enroller in his prime. And as you start observing, a lot of his ways will start embedding in you. And then you come to base camp. And in base camp, you will work with enrolling till you get a way about you which helps you to enroll people, to touch, move, and inspire them so that they get into action. And what you will find in your teams is discretionary effort. Effort which by definition you cannot buy, you cannot induce, you cannot bribe, you cannot employ fear, nothing. Then it's not discretionary. Discretionary effort is voluntary, discretionary. And discretionary effort leads to a breakthrough in success. So enrolling and discretionary effort and breakthrough in success all go together.